All right, so this mount of several orchids to these logs, this mahogany log, actually it's one log. I had refreshed it because most of the blooms were growing into the log, so I had to rotate it and reinforce it with all these husks to protect the roots and protect the orchid from not drying out too fast. So this is what I did. I used wire to secure it. These have several bloom spikes emerging. So here we have one bloom spike, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I definitely had to change the direction of the plant to accommodate these. Oh, here's another one. 6 of them. There's a Vanda here as well. There's another Dendrobium mounted on the top here, and another here. So overall, that's what I did. I'll show you the before picture, and this is the after. So it's much more secured. I'm happy with how it looks now. It'll grow much better in this direction. As you can see, most of the new growth is on this side, old growth on that side. So secured the roots towards, with the coconut husk, towards the newer growing direction of the kikis coming out, if you understand what I mean. All right, so that's pretty much it for this project. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe.